Hi, welcome to Maree. I'm going to share a 2-ingredient healthy potato salad. I'm just going to boil my potatoes. I've got about 10 small little potatoes with the skin on. I'm going to boil them behind me for about 20 to 30 minutes. The potatoes are nice and cool now, so all I need to do is just chop them up. I just chop them in quarters. You can do halves, you can keep them whole. If you've got a bigger salad bowl, you can pop it into a salad bowl. I've only got my mixing bowl, so I'm just going to throw them all in that. And then I'm going to add the hummus. Start with 1 heaped tablespoon and just mix it through. But I think we'll need 2. Such a delicious hack for an easy, quick potato salad without mayonnaise and with healthy hummus. Pop it back into my bowl. Now my salad is ready to eat for lunch. Let's just try it. Creamy hummus with slight tang and the delicious chilled potatoes. The perfect dairy-free potato salad that's slightly healthy. Let me know in the comments below if you give it a go. Thanks for watching. Bye.